Hello, hello friends. Today I'm coming to discuss for some problems of partial differential equation. Some some problems of PDE. Okay, so we have actually already discussed the notation part, formation part of the previous class. So we need to now formation of partial differential equation. One of the example, one example that is Z is equal to AX plus BY plus A square plus B square. See, form a partial differential equation. Form a PDE or partial differential equation of this equation. Okay. So we have already discussed. First, we convert into P form or convert into Q form this equation. Okay. Suppose you naming this is equation one. So step one, differentiate this one with respect to x. Differentiate. Differentiate one with respect to x. What is the result? Now, del z by del x, which is equal to a. That implies that del z by del x, which is already the notation p, so that is p is equal to a. Okay, then again differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to y of equation 1. See, del z by del y, del z by del y, which is equal to only b, and that value becomes q is equal to b. See, p is shifted to a, that is a partial form, and q is shifted to b, and that one is the partial form. Now, substitute p in place of a and q in place of b in equation 1, then that equation is transferred into a partial form. Okay. The next, substitute p is equal to a and q is equal to b in equation 1. See, we have to put in equation 1. What is the result? See here, a z is equal to px plus qy plus s p square plus q square. Then result is now z equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. See, so this one z is as the partial differential form. Okay, the equation z is called as the partial differential equation. That is one example I have discussed here. Another example, suppose we consider now. Let example 2. Z is equal to function of x square plus y square. Form into PDE, फॉर्म इनटू पीडी पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में उसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे एक प्रोसेस जो है यू हैव टू अडॉप्टेड हियर एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज टू एलिमिनेट द आर्बिट्ररी फंक्शन हियर एंड टू प्रोड्यूस द पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. So that for solution we consider first step, that is step 1, differentiate this function with respect to x. This is naming 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. What is the result? Del z by del x, which is equal to f dash x square plus y square. Then derivative with respect to x, that means that is the 2x. That is considered another equation 2. Okay. Then again we differentiate the function z with respect to y. That means del z by del y. See. So this is also represented as the p. So already we noted the partial form of del z by del x has already p noted here. The q is equal to, that is del z by del y. So what is the result actually? That is f dash x square plus y square. Again derivative with respect to y of this function. So what is this result? That is 2y. So equation 2 and equation 3. See, we can create among them a partial form. So how to do? We can use 1, 2. See, if both the equations are divided, then function can evolve. See, if both the equations can divide each other, then f dash and f dash is cancelled. The remaining term must be the partial form. So see this one. So p by q, which is equal to f dash x square plus y square into 2x. Divide f dash x square plus y square whole into 2y. See, so this term and this term has cancelled, 2 is cancelled. So what is the remaining value? That is py is equal to qx. See, this equation 4, the partial differential equation. Okay, equation 4 called as partial differential equation. Differential equation. That you have given the example 2, how to form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function. Okay. Suppose we consider another example to formation of partial differential equation. Z is equal to x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Form APD. Form PDE, partial differential equation. Okay. So suppose this is naming the equation 1 as. So what we will do? First step we consider here. Step 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. So what is the value? Del z by del x, which is equal to 2x del z by del x, which is equal to 2x whole into y square plus b square. See. So this equation also we convert del z by del x has already represented, that is the p of partial form. So this value p by 2x, which is equal to y square plus b square, you have written here. Okay. The similar procedure you have to adapt it here. Step 2, differentiate with respect to x and now differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. Then what is the result? Now, del z by del y, which is equal to 2y whole into x square plus a square. Okay. Now this value also you have to retain this value. Q is equal to q by 2y is equal to x square plus a square. C. So we have already actually converted for value y square plus b square as partial form p by 2x and x square plus a square का partial form q by y I have already converted. Okay. Now to put the value of x square by a square and y square by b square in equation 1. See, this is the equation 1 I have represented this one. This is the equation 1. Okay. We have to put their value. Now put the value put in equation 1. So what is the value? Now z is equal to p by 2x and q by 2y. P by 2x into q by 2y. Then what is the result? Now the result is 4xyz is equal to pq. So this one is the partial differential equation, friend. Okay. So we have already discussed the 3 examples of the partial differential equation. Okay. Then next examples are given the next classes. Okay. Thank you.